Kathoshe mwenye mnono ntuboko na kanya gakwatana abatu kiendeto chietu chia weru tha mwanja honi beto awini wa Kenyero tukiambiririani ati mbondi ya kumurika wagiro bwanda wachia kuwira niyo Pest Control Products Board yayo PCPB nethirite nende tumiria uturania bwa maoni ya mwingi jara yakethira yakiambiriria kwambiriria ntuko yerwari tariki 25 mwanka tariki 24 mweri jwena juri mweri tuitite ankoloki bakethira bakia arimi maoni egurorege mitaratara ya kwagirithia lebo chio na inya bura bakabatere kwithira bakibwithia na inya wika ndawa chio chia kuwira arimi bakurwa kwithira bagiukuma ki website ya www.pcpb.co.ke ibokenda kwithira bakioyolelia fomu na inya utire bakwithira bakia na maonio.
On that note, maybe mbere tuthirie kalawa kwina nini ombonetia public participation or something imbibweneo
mwaka uyu wa 2024 PCPB na serie kikindo uterene rwa wika labels na label ukainge ni sienda sieta ikithoma na mpangilio urayo kine dunia yonthe kwa mpangilio wa labels yo eka dunia yonthe yo etwa globally harmonized classification and labeling of chemicals na pe science ni chemical tu to abdi label siatu kana chethia sikie tanaria na mubango yo dunia wale bati kubangwa na sheria na kulukire leo tukwenda ene isensua siuma label tanjo dai sieta label e format tu mpangilio ta kwena changes nene niko umethia bo yang saindi ebu ya nkoroki ruto kwena arimi antu bakenya bonthe baina kanya ga usangia munjandala yu ya kusensia lebu cia tuchume ki tunacho thai kiuta ki format yu itikani tune dunia yonthe kenda ithira ni iraisi kuthoma ni ina mbisa kisungu raisi tu set tu statement tu kwe kenda ari mubamba usithoma na njira nkwe riu ukatuthomera message eu na antu bamiru na Kenya yonthe ibakwa invited kenda baikia comments yao ki mupangilio tunayo na baikanya kuma ntuku ya nario 25th July mwanga 24th June 24th August ni mweri yoma mugima na baita ki website yetu www.pcpb.go.ke baita bakona ka form kareau bayuririe na bakotume ofisini yetu na kwena email yao info@pcpb.go.ke kanya kwingi md@pcpb.go.ke no baurie ciuri yao na ka form gayuriria kinyako no keye na email eu na tugairio karande tone maonio nikenda torita label kuingana na mpangilio ya dunia tutania na dunia yonthe tutikania tu antu ba Kenya inatomba gutambea turi amwe.
Okay.
Tugitambire ni ati thirikari nende ni ambiriretie kwithire kinenkanira matangi ya wika iria ritikathoke na mugambo ywa Chomba Milk Coolers ibokenda utira arwangiro remiro kwithira rukiagira mutaratara yuyu ethire yukiambiriria mweri muthiru na Rais William Ruto aithire kinenkanira matangi 15 kaunti ya Meru na akirigirwa kana thirikari kirigirwa kwithira kinenkanira matangi manayelia 30 adeni ya kaunti 40. Minister Worimi Mutaikagu nethirite nende akirigirwa kunekanira matangi ya yanana ke ikundi kimwe ke urimi amuradini yo value chain support a project.
It is very inefficient use of a cooler. Na ningetaka kuuliza Gao na wale wengine wako area around the Republic of Kenya, if there is a cooler, a milk cooler that is not being used for milk, ipatiwe the nearest cooperative with power so that it can be put to use. We cannot distribute coolers for purposes of storing things in the coolers. Those people wale ambao wana coolers ambazo hazina power, tuambie Bwana Wachira awapatie power, and Bwana PS, let's do a survey. Let's do a survey of where these coolers are, so that we do not have idle coolers around the country. We want to make sure that if there are coolers, then they are being used for the purposes for which they were set, and that is to store milk. Not maize, not beans, milk. So please, kama mna coolers huko pande zingine, especially around North Rift, ambazo hazitumiwi kwa maziwa, tungetaka hizo coolers zichukuliwe, zipelekwe pahali ambapo zinatumiwa for the purposes for which they were sent. We are going to continue distributing coolers both in this county and other counties, so that we can save post-harvest losses. Hatutaki kuchukua nyinyi mnaenda kwa shamba, you feed your cow, and then the cow comes, you get your milk, and we lose that milk. We don't want to lose even a liter of milk. Lakini kama serikali tunaangalia pia namna vile tunaweza kusaidia the private sector kama nyinyi. Sasa tusaidie watu kama nyinyi, ndio ile viwanda mnazo ziwe ni zinaweza kutengeneza powder. Nyinyi mnasema KCC, lakini sio KCC peke yake. We don't want to just depend on KCC. That's only one. We want also the private sector to start making powder milk. Umesema wewe mwenyewe Bwana Chairman, wakati wa mvua, wakati nyasi iko mingi, maziwa inakuwa mingi, bei inaanza kushuka. Na hiyo ndio bei ile mheshimiwa alikuwa anasema. Tunataka bei iwe at 50. Na the only way we can protect the industry is to make sure that wakati maziwa iko mingi, tunachukua hiyo maziwa, tunafanya powder, tunatengeneza milk powder, tunauza Ulaya. Kama saa hii nchi zingine kama Algeria huko juu zinataka sana this powder. They want to buy, but we can't even supply enough. Hapa tukishukua
alendigo kuyeri kulianirwa kunenege kiama kia ODM kiama bamwe bakionekana kulianirwa imwerekera yuriko yoge siasa babatere kwithira bakiokia bobo yete nyuma ya mwandiki munene kiamene kia Edwin Sifuna kwithira kimeneria thirikari ori kiama kiethirite kimenyekana ya kia ruterurigana thirikari no endi mutongere wakio Raila Odinga onekana kwithira akigika thirikari ya Rais William Ruto. Gavana wa kaunti ya Wajir nethirite akiuga kiama keke thirikari na kubatetikirwa kwithira baititikirwa kumena muntu kana kumena Rais William Ruto anonto muntu ati omwitikiria kaitenio kau. Senator noe wa kaunti ya Garissa nethirite akimeneria kiama kia kiuga yakaki kwithira kigita mwerekira na itumanto mwake Edwin Sifuna.
Gavana wa Wajir ni mkubwa katika ODM. Tafadhali Gavana, kama ODM muliamua muko na national priority agenda kama wanachama, musiite kama national priority agenda, muite ODM priority agenda. Na kama si agenda ya ODM, basi tafadhali utuulizie msamaha, wakuje wa apologize kwetu kwa ajili hatukuulizwa. So Governor, wakati unarudi Nairobi ongea na ODM yenyu, nafikiri Sifuna amepotea njia. Don't require us to hate Ruto because you hate him. You hate him if you want. Come with whichever candidate you want, but also allow those who are okay with him to have a voice. And when the vote is counted, cast in a peaceful manner and counted, minority have their say and the majority have their way. Kama unachukia President Ruto, ngoja elections, criticize him, but do it in a mature way, in a way that does not incite Kenyans against each other. So Abdul, I want to assure you, a majority of ODM at every level is supportive of the broad-based government, and our party leader has said it on national TV that he will support President Ruto until 2027, na mambo wengine tutafika wakati huo na to discuss. Kwa hivyo wale wanapiga makelele, sijui President Ruto amewakosea lini. I don't know why it's so personal.
Kathasha mwanya muno no ntuba kwithira witite ambere na kuromera ndeto cia weru thaa mwanja ogeta kuraitu cokerete na ndeto nkuluki.
Inya *811*468# kugwata tuma fare jasikiza tuni yeku.
Sasa akisilo tu nitumie kafea, I promise takula, please nitumie tu, nitakam. I promise ukinitumia na kam sai. Please oshe nitumie tu I promise takula yo fea ukinitumia. Nitumie tu fea oshe, nitakuja nitakam tu sai. Please nitumie tu takula. Imagine hadi nisha dress, andi hata nikafanya makeup, andi hata mse wa kaba nakuja, nitumie tu. I promise takula, nitakuja tu. Mimi nakuambia tuma tu na nitakuja, tuma tu. Uniamini?
Inya *811*468# kugwata tuma fare jasikiza tuni yeku.
Peke kabeja na kamutu wake
kenda nje kwitherema nekara nice. Siri ne mutujo nice extra premium.
Mutindi nyenye na kamusere
Inyaju tuenaju juambishori kuma nice rice millers mwea.
Moguri wa kinyandu kene etia motujwa nice extra premium. Nkima ya motujwa nice extra premium eja nampwe ena mushamujo mudhongi na nikweta gogwe na nje ku nutrients na shio chabatisha nice extra ngano itio mainya shiarara ne imboro na imure mutheri motu tujonge ne nice extra premium.
Mom, hii ugali ni tamu na ni kweli. Siri ni nice.
Watwekawe na kioria yende kithia kana no kwenda gwikira ode kuringa thimu namba 0729 661 667 kana 0755 200 197.
She nice na nice extra premium.
Good evening and welcome to the greatest show on earth. This is a people's game. They will be bubbling about this one for weeks and months to come.
Wase, iko on. Kila game inamata. Reconnect now. Dial *423#.
Moxie Aluminium nio nduka enjero buria hadu ya Meru iria gukwa into bionthe byo kuthongomia nje kuna kinyobisi kuna maguri ja mega. Turi na into mwanya bithongi ja aluko board sheets, polycarbonate sheets, car sheet net, stainless steel wax, perspex glass, aluminium wax, bathroom cubicle, frameless glass door, glass balconies, glass wax, insulation sheets, locks union kanayel, acoustic ceiling na skylight kana pagola. Turi mita inka ya kiruterero muthomurango nejo gutonyera Greenwood City Mall Meru. Iturugura ntuko chionde kuma njuma toto mwanka njuma kwambira thejiri charukire mwanka thaa 11 ciogoro yontu bwante tonkuruki yongira nduka yetu kana turingire thimu kurukira 0706 446 198 Winthe ipo kwa tiogeni.
Kathasha mwanya muno no tuba kwithira witite mbere na kurumira ndeto cietu cia weru thaa mwanja. Tugicokera ni ati siasa ichiambiriretie chiochwa wa kuyukia kanya karaga atiirwi mubunge wa giciko bunge kia Malava nyuma yawe kwithira gitotoro bwawe nendi kiama kia UDA yekaria kakiambiriretie utumira munene wa Minister Musalia Mudavadi kwambiriria kampeni cia kuyukia itikio. Musalia akiaria kaita karochemanitie na kaririete bamirie ya narimo wa munakuro ba kuma Meria Mirongweli na Kenda Kabras na inyiletie abatiri bakwithira bakireta mutongeri ura kethira kiangira kariba kumanteri onkolokino retia kroba kwithira bakiendekethia mukiama kanoro kethira kirwirete kina kiama kia UDA.
Want consistent, predictable and reliable leadership for the people of Malava. Kugurid. So, mimi niko hapo kuambia, je, nikikupatia karatasi sasa, na nikuambie, andika qualities za yule kiongozi wewe unaona anastahili kuwa kiongozi wa Malava. Sitaki jina. Hapana. Mtihani wangu wa leo sio jina. Mtihani wangu kwenu leo ni qualities. Kipawa gani ama vipawa gani ama uzito gani tunawekelea kwa kiongozi ambaye atachaguliwa Malava. Let us put our minds together and Doamaro Mihano, I've not told you about any candidate, and I'm not going to tell you about a candidate, not today, because I want you to go home and ignite this debate at the grassroots, in the villages. Bandu batebane, what leadership do we deserve? Kabisa. Muzimu, what leadership are we looking for? My only request is that after you configured those things, please, awe candidate wa UDA.
Mwandiki wetu wa ndeto Martin Mugambi na tubanganiretie rono rwa mwanya murumo yo mpanga na arethirete akimurika maweya na mathina jara yethirete yakiyania na bikibiki kigechunche kia bili kia riboti ya mwanya.
Girige chunche kia vieri kia rugono rwetu rwa mwanya mururumo wa mpanga twaraniretie na kuriunga kirimo bichi na nginya ndwangi mwanya ndeni ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi kenda gukuthakuthia na kumenya abura thiaga na mbere na kukuretera mbicha yongwa bura kwithagirwa kuri maturani na iki. Bichi ya mbere kuringaringa turaringaringa gwa kamishina wa kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi David Gitonga mbari cha Kathwana.
The way they have modified it, the backfiring, it's like a gunshot. I think they are affected, and I've seen it even here in Chuka. There's a day even I thought someone and shot somewhere. You need to engage the border borders and tell them what they are doing is illegal. From there, you'll also need to identify the operators and the modifiers and tell them what they are doing is an illegality, and if found doing it, then action will be taken against them. So the thing is, engage the border borders, create awareness, do an inventory of the modifiers and the spare operators.
arathingatĩra komanda wa borichi Sakias Ng'eno kĩrĩ taũni ya Chuka akenda kũmenya na ta mĩrurumo nĩ ya bikibiki ĩtaomba kwethũrwo ikingaingwo wa bantu ũgĩkũrũkĩra mĩrurumo ti kũthikĩrĩka.
But up to now, as I've said, there is a drastic reduction on those menaces, more especially in this town. The other thing that we want to ask them is they stick and proceed to reducing those removing those structures, because in the first instance, these are things that add no value to the motorcycles, but instead it is even giving them training, straining them, or even training what they had. So far, we have not had any arrests or any mob-up, because this is something that is not feasible. We bring in National Transport and Safety Authority, we bring in the county government of Tharaka-Nithi, NEMA, and the border themselves, and even the general public, so that, like what you are doing now, I wish we could have been in so many media houses or media stations, so that we pass this message.
Kumania na miraramo ĩno ya bikibiki ira exhaust cia chiremba kũrĩa imwe kwaramu na iringi kũrajeua tũrarĩkana nginya na mũrũgamĩri gĩtĩ wa thithia bikibiki kĩrĩ gĩcigo mbunge kĩa Marereki munene agĩtaragĩria makinya mwanya marabarothukia na maramathiĩte na mbere kũthũku akenda gũkandana na mĩrurumo ĩno taũni Chechogoria na gũntũkũra kũngĩ.
Twabuka rutha kamucemanio kanini kuritho kwina kinegeno na kabu kwamba gwetera bikibiki kamba ukuruka, so ni twajukirie tagari ya mbere twamba kwira atongoria betu na bela members bao batikagite banyi ya sauti the inwa bikibiki jiao, and within our town we are happy. I'm very happy, and to betu ni bambito copalits na bala batu copalits to engage our chiefs, our sub chiefs, na to engage our OBC yetu ya thirikari kana OCS and OSPD.
Kuma Kerio bichi iyo tongoria tũrathũngĩra Kerio bichi ya gwatĩri na thingatiba mawatho megie manto mothithia bikibiki barabarani cia nthĩgũrũ ya Kenyatta kĩo NTSA.
We have also noted with great concern the rising cases of motorcycles operating on modified exhaust pipes, creating a lot of blaring sound. We have seen them causing a lot of trouble because of the loud noise that they produce. CSV regulations prohibit modifications of exhaust and also installation of offensive rights. Okay. So it cuts across. We don't allow offensive rights because they cause obstruction to other road users. Okay. We have been conducting some compliance checks. Okay. To impound this kind of offenders, including motor vehicles also and the PSV vehicles. And also we have been engaging border operators through their leadership, through sensitization forums, and urging them to observe the law, and to ensure that they keep their motorcycles in compliance with the provided law.
Rigani ariuga mwena wa mĩrurumo na kũthũkia marĩa matũthiũrũkĩrĩte mũno kũthũnganagira na kĩama kĩa NEMA. Tũraringaringa nginya obici-inĩ ya NEMA ya kaunti ya Tharaka-Nithi mbarĩ Chechuka. Ĩndĩ ya mwena ũguo rũgendo rwetũ rũraringa gũgĩtuĩkaga Siaji James ũrĩa nĩwe mũrũgamĩrĩri wa NEMA ndeni ya kaunti ya Tharaka-Nithi atenda kwaranĩria na atikana gũtwĩgua.
Warwegwe exhaust ino ikeruta chauti gũchumbũra wĩra-inĩ ciaku taũni ĩno icicumbũraga no ntũinya ukiruta wira ana ukiare na customer rĩa ya kurukira nawe utiga bwa customer kuga kana utwira karibu na barabara bikibiki inu ichiomba gugukia inyo tugo yakuruka no gento kio yakuruka kinene
kuma kerio bichinia ne matora ugaga turingaringe o bichini ya marama tuthiurukirite ya thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi gugituikikanaga no aba bomba kwethirwa bari na kainya ga gukuthakuthia na kurungaria mantu mamakiri mataoni o bichi ya Njoe Kaithungu ura no minister wa rwangirwo urimi na nkinya marama tuthiurukirite turaringaringa na kuthungira ndeni indi amwe no Njoe aratugera kiri muruti wira munene kiri rwangirwo Peterson Mwirigi unto buraka irionire buri bumo gututariria kira kithiaga na mbere na gutugera kiri director kana mwerekithia wa mibango eno Geoffrey Nyaga wanwe mukinyo no atwanene bake aregete gutwariria iguru riegie uthithia bonda na mirurumirere turaga mataoni nende ya mirurumo na mirara mweno ya bikibiki iramba kure exhaust imbaramia na iringi ndayi itigiritwe ntura kari na nkinya murungu wao yore muthia wa gichunche gietu kia biere mururumo wa mpanga tukarikana muthenyo yungi kenda kumenya mawe gatiga mothuku ake mauthithia bikibiki kiri mataoni matura na nkinya michie mwanya ndeni ya nthiguru ya Kenya kiri moturo metu mantugo gwa ntugo ngikuretera rugono rwa mwanya mururumo wa mpanga kuma gichigo mbunge kia Marambita gwa Martin Mugambi.
Kathashe mwanya muno kiwe Martin Mugambi kiwe mutegeri na kiebonthe barabomba kwithira bekinyanilia ndeto cietu cia weru thaa mwanja ntukierwa ringa kwendera kaita kia unibetwa Winnie Okinyero.